Hello, thank you for helping me with this. The header builder is giving me quite some problems. So you can see I have desktop header, tablet header, and mobile header. Whichever one I have selected and then I hit save header, that's the one that works. So I'm just updating the page and then go to the website and I updated it and it works here because this is the desktop version. But when I scrunch it up, you can see it doesn't work when it kind of looks like what the mobile one would be doing. So I go back to the header. I'm like, okay, mobile header, I have it designed here. It should be working. Save header, update the page, and then I refresh again and the mobile header works. Okay, but when I pull it out to desktop, it does not work. So how do I get all three to work at the same time no matter what people are looking at? I'm guessing it might have something to do with these header global settings, and maybe you can help me with what these are supposed to be set at between the desktop and mobile. But nothing I do when I play with those numbers seems to work. So please help me. Thank you.